Closing arguments are today in a hearing that could have implications for more than 100 inmates on North Carolina's death row. WRAL's Laura Levine is at the Legislative Building in Raleigh this morning. Laura, Hasson Bacote's attorneys argue that he was sentenced to death due to racial bias.
And Michelle, good morning. The outcome of this case could revive about 130 cases involving inmates on death row before the Racial Justice Act was appealed back in 2013. So we know attorneys representing Hasson Bacote tell me today we can expect compelling statements to back up evidence and testimonies from social scientists and historians presented through the 2-week hearing. They've argued Bacote's case and death row sentence was tainted by racism in jury and selection and training. So Gretchen Engel, the executive director at the Center for Death Penalty Litigation, tells me she is hopeful today there will be a reckoning and that it will motivate Governor Roy Cooper to grant reductions or even pardons before his term is up.
It's the thing that skews our system in a more punitive, more racist, less humane direction. And for him to take a stand there would be really significant. And I'm hopeful that will do the right thing.
So in the best case scenario for Bacote, his sentence would be commuted to life in prison. The closing arguments begin at 10 a.m. Laura Levine, WRAL News. We're live in Raleigh.